Hi, and welcome back to Learning English with Mo. Today, we will be doing lesson 2, which is greetings, part 2. So let's get started. All right, so we will start with the alphabet. So we will practice saying each letter and the sound that each letter makes. Right? So let's start. A, A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. All right. So I need you to get familiar with those letters and the sounds because we will be using them very often, right? So now we're going to practice spelling our names, right? How do you spell your name? C I N D Y. Cindy. Okay, so now you use the letters we practiced before to spell your name. How do you spell your name? Okay, now let's do some conversation practice. Hi, what's your name? Hello, my name is Steven. How do you spell that? Steven. What's your name? Thanks. My name is Lisa. Nice to meet you, Steven. Nice to meet you too, Lisa. See you later, Steven. Bye, Lisa. Okay, so do you notice some new words in this conversation? Let's go through them. See you later or talk to you later also means goodbye. Okay? So we can say see you later or talk to you later, and it means the same as goodbye. Other words we can say bye or see you soon or take care or see you tomorrow. All of these means goodbye. All right. Now let's look at some ways to say hello. So we can say hey or hello or hi. Right? Let's practice. Hey, hello, hi. Another way we can say hello is good morning. And you say good morning. So you see, the sun is up. So it's good morning. When the sun goes down, it's good evening. Good evening. Let's look at that again. Good evening. All right. So now let's practice everything. Having a conversation using everything that we did before. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am doing good. And you? I am fine, thanks. I'm Regina. What's your name? My name is Stephen. How do you spell your name? It's Regina. It's nice to meet you, Stephen. Thanks. I have to go now. Talk to you later. Take care, Stephen. That's it for today. So, I want you to practice using these sentences and these conversational topics that we go through. Practice saying them to your friends or your family members. Okay? So, I'll see you next time for in my next video where we will start lesson 3. So, go ahead and click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like my content. All right? So, see you later.